Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the EZshoot 1600 Lumen rifle flashlight. So we're going to get our tactical flashlight in this black box. It says EZshoot. Also out here. Take a look inside. So here is the tactical flashlight user's manual. There's everything that comes in the box. So you get the flashlight, charging cable, picatinny clamps, some screws, long screws, tools, M-lock rail nuts, and M-rail screws. So you can use this for a picatinny rail or M-lock. There's your specifications. It has the white light. The brightest setting, or the brightness, is 1600 lumens. And it has a 280 max throw. Here's a runtime, the weight, there's the overall length, and then it also has a built-in laser as well. So we'll get over all the overview and the charging and installation. And then so there are also installation for the pick rails I mentioned before, how to operate the laser and the light, and then your beam adjustment, also your warnings, the danger, and the notice. All right, so here is the charging cable. We have our set of tools. And then here is the EZshoot flashlight and laser combo. All right, let's take a closer look at the tactical flashlight here. So starting here on the rear, you're going to see that there's a little charging port, and also has this little door so you can seal it from water, dust, debris. And super easy to do to recharge. Just use the provided cable here. Plug that in. You'll see that the light will turn red. Once it's fully charged, it will turn green. Then you do have the EZshoot marking here and on the other side. It does have the M-lock screws on top already pre-installed. You can remove those if you're going to mount this on a picatinny rail. And of course you can remove the picatinny rail adapter here if you're going to use it on the M-lock. So here on the sides, moving up, you do see that it shows LS. That's going to be for laser activation. And then here on the right side, you're going to see it says LT, so that's for the light. Again, this is super bright. It's 1600 lumens, and I can feel the heat already coming from the light. Super bright. And then let's look at the laser. So this is the green laser option. You do have the option to choose red if you want to do that instead. I always like the green lasers. I feel like they pick up a lot easier for me, and also seem to go further. Right, and then moving on down here, you do have the laser adjustments. So this is going to adjust your windage for the laser. So you can use your tool and click that whichever way when you're sighting in your rifle. And then you have the elevation, so you see the U and the D, so for up and down. And then you have right and left. So, and also want to mention, this is really hefty. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It's made out of strong aluminum. You can hear that. It's just super strong, sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's going to crack under heavy recoil or anything like that. Overall, really nice looking light. All right, so here I have my CZ Scorpion Evo 3 S1. I'm going to go ahead and use the picatinny rail mount here. I did remove the M-lock screws just by using one of the provided tools here. And then there's a thicker tool here to loosen up these long screws here, so you can have that wiggle room to install it on the pick rail. So do that, really easy. Just find a spot that you want it in, and once it's locked in place, go ahead and start tightening it. Just like that. You can see how it's installed on the side here. So I can press the light here or activate the laser with my index finger. You can see it there. So very easy to do. It does have a strobe function. You just have to double tap the LT here. And then you can also hold it down and let go and release. If you want to do it that way, it's a little awkward the way it's mounted right here, but if you had it mounted differently, sure, you can get away with that. But I can just have it on right here. And then we'll go ahead and check out that range footage. I also wanted to point out that you can have both the light and the laser on. I don't know if you can see the laser on there, but you can have both of them. So you can see right there, the laser is on, right there at the top. Alright guys, so that was the EZshoot 1600 lumens rifle flashlight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.